I doing? Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. Very exciting indeed. We got our little baby Yoda. Ooh. Did they send me daughters when I asked for sons? I have to go give this to Noah. Oh fuck! You're saddest bunch I've ever met. Happy birthday, Ryan! I got you, no worries, dude.
Alice in Wonderland.
I don't even know what it is.
Free. Walter White.
Herpes free. Walter White. Incredible character. Romeo and Juliet. Shut up! Shut up! Are you joking? Okay, everyone stare at the biggest brain. Everyone stare at the biggest. Is that your house? Is that your house? Orf, whatever you do, do not fall into this hole, Orf. Orf, I promise, if you fall into this hole, you will. You're making my cheeks warm looking at me like that. You're a man! Oh my, you sure say the funniest things, young man. Anyway, if you don't need anything, I should be off then. Just be like, hello? And let me tell you, God was on the phone. Proper disrespected by Biff. I don't support Nazis, but it was like this super like deep, creepy ass voice. Like I was just like, it was so weird. I hear dance off.
Do you think this store?
No, stop it!
Do you think this store
Stop it!
has any lemonade?
What?
Excuse me.
Are they?
Get him, Skinny.
No! Wait! And I think you have to accept it. When I play this song at Gerald's funeral. I'm not saying this is his funeral. What the, is this? Game pizza time? How I'm living my life right now is based solely around Sebastian. Only Sebastian. We love murdering people in general. Let's go. We're all just a bunch of murderers. Huh? 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 Testy time. Wait. Testing time. Jesus Christ. Damn. I don't know. Somebody's gonna clip that and have a heyday, dude. Alright. Bye, guys. Bye!